Another video with the old Silverado Sierra GMC Sierra. It's a stock muffler sound. I don't know if this cheap little camera can pick it up. That's what she sounds like. You know, these old trucks, there was something about them that worked pretty good. Old stainless steel exhausts. I don't know if they put these trucks, there was something about them that was pretty nice because the exhausts on these things last a pretty long time. Like, this is the original exhaust on this truck. Original muffler. It's got a few holes in it, but you know what? 22 years old. This truck's done its time. So thanks for watching Motomods. Till next time. Enjoy. We're gonna go through this mud pit a bit here. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for new videos.